Hi children, today we are going to use a word plus NESS, NESS. And then we get a new word. Then you spell the word, you read the word and learn to say a sentence too. Yes? Good. So we are going to add NESS to a word to make new words. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this exercise. Let's do it together. Look at our first word. Our first word is good. Spell good. G-O-O-D. Good. Good plus N-E-S-S. Good plus ness. Goodness. Okay? Good plus ness. Goodness. 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 You come home after your sports day, a big cup or lots of medals, and your mommy will say, goodness me, wonderful girl, you brought all these medals. You brought this cup, goodness. Or by mistake, you drop a cup and break in the house. And the grandma will say, goodness, you broke a lovely cup. Okay? Goodness. Good plus ness, goodness, an expression. Good. Let's look at another word. S-L-Y. Sly. You do something wrong in the house and mommy says, you're looking sly. You're not looking at me in the eye. Sly. Sly plus N-E-S. Sly plus ness gives you a word slyness. You're doing something naughty. I saw slyness in the way you behaved. Slyness. Good. Sly plus ness, slyness. Good. Let's look at another new word. Learn to make a word with ness and read it. S-H-Y. Shy. Somebody new comes to the house, feel shy. You say, go and greet that person, you feel very shy, you hide behind the curtain. Shy plus N-E-S. Shyness. S-H-Y-N-E-S. Shyness. When someone comes to your house, the little girls will run away and hide. They say, look at that little girl. Her shyness is so cute. Shyness. Good. Let's look at another word. What is S-A-D? Sad. When are you sad? When you lose your puppy? When you lose your little pussycat? When your friend goes away for good to another city? Yes? Sad. S-A-D. Sad plus N-E-S. You get another word, sadness. Sad plus ness, sadness. S-A-D-N-E-S. Tom's sadness was not. Tom's sadness was unhelpful. We couldn't help him. He was too deep in his sorrow, so his sadness was so deep because he lost his little puppy. Sadness. You must help someone who is in deep sadness. They lose a friend or something or fail in the test. They're very sad. Good. Let's look at another new word. Weak. What word is this? Weak. Spell weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Someone who is not well or someone who has had fever for a long time, they look very weak, hardly able to sit up. Weak plus ness, N-E-S-S. Weak plus ness gives you a word weakness. W-E-A-K-N-E-S is weakness. Susan cannot stand. Susan cannot go to school because of the weakness after the flu attack. Weakness and very tired. Good. Let's look at another new word. Here we are. F-A-I-R. Fair. Fair plus N-E-S-S. Fair plus ness. Fairness. Someone who's got nice color. Fairness. A fair person, a colorful person. Or someone who does not favor someone. Okay, this game has to be fair. There should be fairness in the game. This is right, that's wrong. Okay, both get 1 point each. Okay, fairness at games field. Fair. Let's look at another new word. We're building words and learning to say a sentence. S-M-A-R-T. Smart, good. S-M-A-R-T, smart. When do you look smart? When you have a nice, fresh, clean uniform, had a bath, you take a book, your bag, and off to school. You walk march to school. You look very smart in your uniform. Smart plus N-E-S-S. Smart plus ness, smartness. When teacher asks you a question, you must be able to answer a lovely answer. Then teacher will say, my goodness, I like your smartness. That was a smart answer. Smartness in answering quickly. Smart plus ness, smartness. Tom's smartness was appreciated by the teacher. Good. Let's go on to a new word. Build a new word. G-R-E-A-T. What is that? G-R-E-A-T. Great. A great person, a lovely person. Great plus N-E-S-S. Ness. Great plus ness. Greatness. G-R-E-A-T-N-E-S-S. Greatness. When do you know the greatness of a person? Sometimes they're very humble. They won't tell. Somebody has to say about that person's greatness. Yes, greatness. Good. Let's go on to a new word and build a new word. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. A very nice person. Okay? S-W-E-E-T, sweet plus N-E-S-S. Sweet plus ness, sweetness. Sweetness. Patty's sweetness was really great. She spoke so sweetly. Sweetness. Mummy asked Grandma, was the sweetness enough in your coffee? Yes. Sweet plus ness, sweetness in the coffee was just correct. Let's go on to a new word. N-E-A-T. Neat. What is neat? You keep your books, your writing should be neat, dressing should be neat, your room should be neat. N-E-A-T, neat. Neat plus N-E-S-S, neatness. Neat plus ness, neatness. Neatness. Teacher was so happy that you kept the neatness of the class throughout the week. And you got a prize. Your class got a prize for neatness. Keeping the classroom, everything neat. So headmistress said, neatness. The prize for neatness goes to standard 5B. Good. Neat plus ness, neatness. Good. Let's look at another new word. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. What is fresh? Mummy gets fresh vegetables and fruit, fresh bread and egg from the market. After your bath, you look so fresh, don't you? Fresh plus N-E-S-S. Fresh plus ness gives you a word freshness. F-R-E-S-H-N-E-S-S. Freshness. When you pass by a bakery, you smell the freshness of the newly baked bread and say, Mama, let's buy a fresh bread. Okay? So you go out into the bakery and you get a fresh bread and come because Mommy says the freshness of the bread smells different. Yes. Let's go on to a new word. What do we have here? W-I-T, wit. What is wit? Wit can be someone who says funny things. Okay, witty person. That's a witty person. He can say a lot of funny things. W-I-T, wit plus N-E-S-S. Wit plus ness gives you a new word. Witness. W-I-T-N-E-S-S. Witness. An accident occurs and the policeman says, now we need a witness. Who saw the accident happening? Court. Witness. Witness is very important in the court. Yes? Wit plus ness, witness. Somebody copied in the class and the teacher says, who saw Pat copying? I saw. I was witness. Pat was copying in the examination. I'm the witness. Good. Let's go on to a new word. D-U-L-L. What is that word? Dull. When do you feel dull? You have a headache, you have fever, or when you have been working all day, or when you're not feeling too good, you say, I feel dull today. Dull plus N-E-S-S. Dull plus ness gives you another word. Dullness. Where do you? Dullness is felt when nobody is very active. Okay? The classroom was very active, but another day, most children got sick, and the teacher said, dullness. I can feel dullness in this class. What's happening? Are you not well? Why the dullness? Dull plus ness, dullness. Good. Let's go on to a new word. What word is this? F-I-T, fit. F-I-T, fit. What is fit? That you can attend class, you're not well, your body is all right. When you say fit. Fit plus N-E-S-S, fit plus ness, fitness. Yes, after the fever, you need to get a fitness certificate from your doctor to go to class. You're fit, your fever is gone, you're now fit to attend the class. Fit plus ness, fitness. Did you enjoy? Good.